Hello student. So today we are going to discuss about a very important topic and many of the students get confused with that topic. The topic is integrity and honesty. In integrity and honesty, in every year UPSC has asked the one question. But in 2021 UPSC has asked one question that is exactly not related to the integrity and honesty, but it's very close, right? It's not exact the question, but this question is tested the clarity in ethical concept and integrity versus honesty. This question fits into the same demand like concept clarity and application. So the question is differentiate between code of ethics and code of conduct with the suitable example. So this is the question, right? So let's understand it. What is the difference between the integrity versus honesty and which one makes us stronger officers? Most people think honesty and integrity are same, but in UPSC ethics they are not. Just different. They shape the soul of a civil servant. Through this, let's understand the concept of integrity versus honesty. See, honesty means telling the truth, being truthful in words and action. Integrity means living the truth, doing the right things even when no one is watching. Honesty is the part of integrity, but integrity is larger. Let's understand this in a simple analogy. See, honesty is not cheating in an exam, right? But integrity is not cheating even when no one is watching. So how we can relate it with the UPSC question? See, a civil servant may be honest in reporting, but without integrity, they may still bend under pressure. So integrity makes you consistent, reliable, and incorruptible. So what is the application? How we can apply this entire information in our question? See, first you have to define both the terms, okay? Then compare with the real life example. For example, S.R. Sankaran, E. Sridharan. So you can give the example related to him. And end with UPSC value relevance, why both are needed for a great administrator. You can conclude with the quote also. The quote is, honesty is doing the right things when others are watching. Integrity is doing the right things even when they are not. So you can end your answer or you can write your conclusion with these quotes. It's also give the good closing of your answer. Even you always understand these things that honesty wins the trust, but integrity wins the hearts and history. Thank you.